Hello everyone, I am Dr. D. Anil Kumar and welcome to my channel CodeQuest. In this video, I will walk you through all the exciting Python programming topics that I will be covering in my upcoming lectures. So let's dive right in. The topics we will cover are Introduction to Python, a quick journey through Python's history, key features, and why it is one of the most popular programming languages today. Tokens in Python. Here we will understand the essential building blocks like identifiers, keywords, data types, and comment lines to kickstart your Python coding adventure. In operators and I/O statements, we will explore different types of operators like arithmetic, assignment, relational, and learn how to handle input-output efficiently. In the introduction to data structures, we will get familiarity with Python's core data structures like strings, list, tuple, set, and dictionaries and how they work. In conditional statement, we will master the selection control statements like if else, if else to make decisions in your programs. In looping statements, we will learn how to repeat a task with loops like for loop, while loop, and control flow statements like break, continue, and pass. In operations on data structures, we will dive deeper into manipulating collections like strings, list, tuple, and sets with various built-in functions. In functions, modules, and packages, we will learn how to create usable code with user-defined functions, recursion, and organizing your code into modules and packages. In file handling, we will work with files and also learn how to read, write, and manipulate text files and CSV files in Python. In regular expression, we will master the RE module to perform pattern matching and text processing efficiently. In Python object-oriented programming structure, implement the concept of classes like object, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, and many more in Python. In exception handling, we will learn how to handle unexpected errors using Python's robust exception handling mechanism. In multithreading, we will learn how to handle multitasking with multithreading, and also we will learn the concept of synchronization. In database interaction, we will learn the basics of SQL and connecting Python to databases using libraries to perform CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete. In the introduction to GUI, we will be exploring the GUI or the graphical user interface in Python to make use of the libraries and frameworks to create an interactive and visually appealing user interfaces for desktop application. And that's just the beginning. More exciting topics will be added as we move forward. Stay tuned. Please drop a comment and let me know which topic you most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeQuest.